Welcome back, CivillyYours family. Come along with us as we wrap up our date day by trying a new spot for pedicures. Nothing fancy, just quality time, relaxation, and a little self-care together. All right, so we're going to get pedis now.
Pedis. Gotta get it done.
Wait, before we continue, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Not aggressively, but like you mean it. Okay, back to the video. So we're getting manicures and pedis. It's beautiful in here. Our team took good care of us. They were so nice, so welcoming, and they did an amazing job.
Yes. You like it?
Yes.
Awesome.
She did not want to be on camera.
So they had to relight my candle because the last one had went out. So it was really sweet that they did it again. Oh, she did.
Okay, I got you.
We love a good paraffin wax. We ended our day with a little self-care, pedicures, laughs, and a moment to slow down together. Self-care looks different for everyone, but today this was ours. If you made it this far, thank you for being here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and follow for more moments like this.
Garcia on the track.